How to replace monitor screen. This one is broken. You see, let's watch the process. You start from the back stand. All right. So this is how you can replace the screen of your monitor. You see how we pull it out from the back, then you remove the front cover gently so you don't break it. All right. So you remove the broken screen. Look at the flares there. It's not complicated. It's so easy. Then bring in the new one. Please share this video, okay? So this is how you can fix your monitor screen. That is the panel there. You do it gently so you don't break the new one. So it's not difficult. You can do it. So you want to test it. It's working now. All right. So the monitor is back. Perfect. Share this video.